Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my voice, I'm Fergie. Please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Guys, it's mango time again, that time of year. So today I'm going to be making some mango peach puff pastry. It's going to be delicious, guys. So here's my mango, my peach. You use peaches from a can, okay? Sugar, oil, cornstarch, salt, cardamom, and your puff pastry sheet. And guys, I'll see you in a minute. So guys, into this bowl, I'm gonna add my cornstarch with my sugar and a pinch of cardamom. So guys, in a small pot, add your peaches, your mangoes. From the syrup that is in the peach, whether it's can or jar, we need 5 tablespoons. To this, we're gonna add our sugar and cornstarch with cardamom. And to this, you're going to add a dash of salt. Guys, we're going to bring this to a simmer until the syrup is nice and thick. And then we're going to put it aside to cool to room temperature before our next step. So guys, on a flour surface, after your mango and peach is nice and cool, we're going to put our puff pastry and cut it in half. Just a little bit of milk. Deep fry, right? So guys, we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my delicious mango peach puff pastry. Guys, you can bake these to get a healthier version, but I love it when it's fried because it's so good. I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.